You're watching Rene Brun, the official channel.
Do 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 do. Walk like an idiot. Do 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 do. Too much caffeine. In fairness, not enough caffeine. Here I am out at Howth Harbour, my local stomping ground. Howth is close enough to where I live in Baldoyle. You have the beautiful lighthouse, which you've probably already seen in some drone footage earlier. You have the lovely harbour area here, where the smaller dinghies and boats are. And this morning I'm going to do something completely different. I'm going to stand here with the sun behind me and become a silhouette. Very clever, Rene. I actually thought I'd shoot some colour with the old Leica Q this morning. I haven't really done much colour. A lot of black and white, which is my preferred choice. But I thought I'd shoot some colour. Sunrise, I didn't sleep too well last night. Once again, the humidity. We're not made for humidity in this country. But I thought I'd get up early of a day off and shoot some colour and make another video. Especially as a little thank you to the new subscribers, 20 new subscribers in the last week or two. So thank you very much, everyone. Very much appreciated. So this morning, I'm just here with the old Q. I'm shooting at a 1.7 aperture. And I'm just handheld, making sure the horizon is perfect. F2 and at 800 of a second shutter speed. And a lovely shot. A nice shot. Sun is not due up for about 10 minutes. So I'll insert some video now for you to watch and enjoy. There's obviously a group of other people out here with the same idea to get a few photographs this morning. You can see them over there on the East Pier, whereas I'm currently based over in the West Pier taking my shots. Mainly because what I want to do is shoot the silhouettes from this side, and as the sun comes up, then shoot the harbour in full brightness facing back towards the east. Or sorry, let me correct that, shooting back towards the west. Like I said earlier, not enough caffeine in me. Just had a little thought there. I'm going to cycle over to the East Pier now, because looking at all those guys on the pier, it actually makes a great silhouette. Hopefully they'll walk down to the end, so it'll give me time to get over there and get back and get the shot, but I'll see what I can do. Okay guys, so I got the silhouette of all the guys. It looks like it's a family from India. There's about 15 or 20 of them. I'll post the image in a minute. I'm just over here by the lighthouse, and as I cycle up the path, there's a rock wall and there's all little bumps on it and little marks. And as I got eye level with it, I said, you know, that looks like a barren landscape, so I'm going to try to shoot that now and possibly macro. So let me turn the camera around and give you an idea what I'm looking at. Okay, so this is the rock wall I was talking about. As I got eye level, there's all these different cool bumps. It actually looks like a landscape. Like you're not actually by the sea, but actually somewhere barren. So I'm going to see how I do. Now it's very, very silhouetted here, because I'm shooting straight into the sun. Okay. 800 of a second, 6.3 aperture. Let me just focus. You know, it is kind of hard focusing. I'm going to switch it over to macro and see how I get on with the macro on the bumps. Maybe it's a bit too... okay, you can see it a bit more as you get different light levels on it. So I'm going to see if I can shoot this correctly. It's very difficult. But I'm going to try a few different examples, guys. See what I get. Take the macro off, go back to normal. Okay, I'm not sure if that worked, but we'll give it a go in editing. So on with a few more pictures.